Technology. It's incredible, right? It has the power to transform our lives in ways we never imagined. Smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, they've revolutionized our lives. But there's a catch. The rapid pace of innovation means that today's marvels quickly become tomorrow's relics. Technology ages faster than a banana in the sun. One moment, it's the latest must-have. The next, it's gathering dust in a drawer. What's cutting edge today is outdated tomorrow. The cycle of obsolescence is relentless, pushing us to constantly upgrade. This is tech obsolescence, folks, and it's a money pit if you're not careful. The cost of keeping up can be staggering. Remember when flat-screen TVs were all the rage? They were the epitome of modern living. People shelled out big bucks for them, often stretching their budgets to get the latest model. Now you can get a bigger, better TV for a fraction of the price. The technology has advanced and prices have dropped significantly. The same goes for computers, phones, you name it. Each new release makes the previous one seem obsolete. That's why understanding tech obsolescence is crucial for your wallet. Being aware can save you a lot of money in the long run. Ignoring it is like setting your money on fire. You end up spending more than necessary, chasing the latest trends. You'll constantly be playing catch-up, shelling out for the latest and greatest when your old tech bites the dust. Who wants that? It's a never-ending cycle. That's why we're diving deep into this topic. We need to understand the life cycle of our gadgets. We'll learn how to predict when your tech needs an upgrade, budget for it, and make smart choices that won't break the bank. Knowledge is power. Stick with me, and you'll be a tech-savvy money master in no time. Together, we'll navigate the relentless march of tech obsolescence with confidence and savvy. Predicting when your tech will go kaput is like predicting the weather. Sometimes you're right, sometimes you get soaked. But there are signs. Is your computer slower than a snail in molasses? Is your phone battery dying faster than you can say charge? These are red flags, folks. Don't wait for your tech to die completely. That's a recipe for disaster. Sudden replacements are expensive. Instead, plan. Research the average lifespan of your devices. This gives you a ballpark idea of when an upgrade is on the horizon. Remember, this isn't an exact science. Things break unexpectedly, but having a general time frame in mind helps you prepare financially. You won't be caught off guard when your trusty laptop decides to retire. Upgrading your tech isn't just about the initial purchase. Software and hardware upgrades can also drain your bank account if you're not prepared. The key is budgeting. That's right, folks, treat tech upgrades like any other expense. First, figure out how often you typically upgrade. Every 2 years? 5 years? Then estimate the cost. Look at past purchases or research current prices. Now, divide the cost by the number of months until your next expected upgrade. That's your monthly tech savings goal. Having this money set aside eliminates financial stress. When it's time to upgrade, you'll have the cash ready. No more dipping into emergency funds or racking up credit card debt. Smart budgeting keeps your tech current and your finances healthy. The age-old question: buy, lease, or upgrade? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your needs and financial situation. Buying outright gives you ownership and avoids monthly payments, but it requires a larger upfront investment. Leasing can be a good option for businesses or those who crave the latest tech. You get lower monthly payments and can upgrade more frequently, but you never actually own the equipment. Plus, there might be hidden fees. Upgrading components, like adding RAM to your computer, can extend the life of your tech and save money. But it's not always possible. Weigh the pros and cons carefully. Do your research, consider your budget, and choose the option that makes the most financial sense for you. Section 5. The hidden cost of convenience, planned obsolescence. Ever notice how new gadgets seem to come out right after you bought the latest and greatest? That's not a coincidence, my friends. It's called planned obsolescence. Companies design products with a limited lifespan, pushing you to upgrade more often. They do this through software updates that slow down older devices, incompatible accessories, and the constant allure of newer, shinier models. It's a sneaky way to keep you spending, but don't be fooled. Recognize the signs of planned obsolescence. Don't feel pressured to upgrade just because there's a new model. If your current tech still meets your needs, keep using it. Your wallet will thank you. Section 6. Breaking the cycle strategies for smarter tech upgrades. So, how do we outsmart planned obsolescence and avoid those costly upgrade cycles? It's a challenge many of us face, but with the right approach, it's entirely possible. It's all about being a savvy consumer. Understanding your needs and making informed choices can save you a lot of money and frustration. Don't fall for marketing hype. Advertisements are designed to make you feel like you need the latest model, but that's not always true. Do your research and compare products carefully. Look at specifications, read user reviews, and consider what features are truly important to you. Look for durable, well-built devices with good reviews. Quality over quantity should be your mantra when it comes to tech. Consider buying refurbished or pre-owned tech. These options can offer significant savings without compromising on performance. You can often find great deals on perfectly functional devices. Don't overlook these opportunities to save. And remember, not every upgrade needs to be the latest and greatest. Sometimes, older models can meet your needs just as well. Sometimes, a simple software update or a component upgrade can breathe new life into your existing tech. This can be a cost-effective way to extend the life of your devices. By being mindful of your spending habits and making informed decisions, you can break free from the cycle of constant upgrades and keep more money in your pocket. It's all about making smarter choices and being aware of the alternatives available to you. Section 7. Maximizing the lifespan of your tech tips and tricks. Extending the life of your gadgets isn't rocket science. With a few mindful practices, you can significantly prolong their usability. A little TLC goes a long way. Regular cleaning and gentle handling can prevent many common issues. First and foremost, handle your devices with care. Always use both hands when carrying them, and avoid placing them on unstable surfaces. Drops, spills, and extreme temperatures are the enemies of electronics. Even a small drop can cause significant damage. Invest in protective cases, screen protectors, and cleaning supplies. These small investments can save you from costly repairs. Keep your software up to date. Regular updates not only bring new features, but also fix security vulnerabilities. This ensures optimal performance and security. A well-maintained system runs smoother and faster, but be wary of updates that slow down older devices. Sometimes newer isn't always better for older hardware. Sometimes it's better to stick with an older but stable operating system. Stability can often outweigh the benefits of new features. Regularly back up your data. Use external drives or cloud services to ensure your important files are safe. This prevents headaches if your device crashes or gets lost or stolen. Peace of mind is worth the effort, and don't forget about battery care. Proper battery maintenance can significantly extend the life of your device. Avoid overcharging, extreme temperatures, and fully discharging your battery to prolong its lifespan. These practices help maintain battery health. These simple habits can add years to your tech's life, saving you money in the long run. A little effort now can lead to big savings later. Section 8. The bottom line. Planning for tech obsolescence saves you money. Tech obsolescence is a fact of life, but it doesn't have to break the bank. By understanding the concept, predicting upgrade needs, and budgeting accordingly, you can stay ahead of the curve. Remember, it's not about resisting new technology. It's about making informed choices that align with your needs and budget. Don't fall prey to planned obsolescence. Buy what you need when you need it, not just because it's new and shiny. By being a savvy consumer and taking care of your tech, you can enjoy the benefits of technology without constantly emptying your wallet. Section 9. Take control of your tech budget. There you have it, folks. Mastering tech obsolescence is all about planning, budgeting, and making smart choices. Don't let technology control your finances. Take control, stay informed, and keep more money in your pocket.